Today's featured vehicle of the day is a 1984 Chevrolet K5 Blazer with the Silverado package. And this one I filmed at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California, back in February of 22, where it sold for $24,500. And this one was all stock with the original paint still. And I'll read the seller's statement. 1984 fully loaded K5, low miles, all stock, original paint, polished rims, brand new BFGs, garage kept, original interior, zero rust, air blows cold, all electrical works, Silverado package, hard to find in this condition. And like I said, it sold for $24,500. I did have 115,000 miles on it, but it was a nice Blazer. It was in good shape and had a good look to it. But anyway, that's today's featured vehicle of the day, a 1984 Chevrolet K5 Blazer with Silverado package with original paint, original interior, garage kept, 115,000 miles. And it sold at my classic car auction in Palm Springs, California for $24,500. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.